Jai Bharat and welcome everyone to Advaita Achievers. Pranam to all of you, as I believe, Vidyarthi Devo Bhava. So, we have finished discussing the first cervical vertebrae, or vertebra rather, which is the atlas. Moving on to the second one, that is the axis. And then we will be discussing about the seventh cervical vertebra and a typical cervical vertebra, which is the third to sixth, right? So let us move on to understand the structure of axis, okay? Now, axis which is there, we call it to be the second cervical vertebra. You are able to see the figure I have put up. This is that dens or the odontoid, which is peg like. यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेती हूँ. हमने बोला था ना कि फर्स्ट में जो ओडोंटोइड कैनाल है वो क्यों है, तो उसके अंदर ये डेंस या ये जिसको हम ओडोंटोइड प्रोसेस बोलते हैं वो उसके अंदर फिट बैठ जाता है. ठीक है, तो चलो एक लेबल कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज द ओडोंटोइड प्रोसेस, है ना? दिस इज क्लियर. ओके, देन इफ यू कैन सी द मेजर अदर डिफरेंस, सो साथ में चलो लिखते चलते हैं. वील कीप राइटिंग ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इज नाउ द सेकेंड सर्वाइकल वर्टेब्रा, एंड एज वी सेड दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी कॉल्ड, इसका नाम क्या है? एक्सिस. इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सिस, राइट? And जैसे atlas was the yes bone, this is the no bone, because it helps you in making the no movement. ठीक है, ऐसे sideways no, so we are calling it the no bone. All right, okay. So what things are we able to see in the structure? Mainly, correct. So we say it has the odontoid process, has ओडोंटोइड प्रोसेस. ठीक है, वी लेबल दैट. देन द न्यूरल स्पाइन, इसका न्यूरल स्पाइन देखो, इट इज बाइफरकेटेड. अंडरस्टूड? सो हैज बाइफरकेटेड न्यूरल स्पाइन, और यू कैन से द न्यूरल स्पाइन इज बाइफरकेटेड. ठीक, okay. Then what else we can see? You are able to see the transverse process. Here you can see that, no? The transverse process are visible. So pre and post zygapophysis and the transverse processes are present. So pre and post zygapophysis and transverse processes are present, right? So this is what is the structure of the second cervical vertebra, known as the axis, and it is also called the no bone, right? So this structure is pretty much clear to you, right? The next we move on to understand is the seventh cervical vertebra, and then we will be talking about the typical vertebra. Okay, so now what we are going to talk about or see the structure is the seventh cervical vertebra. Okay, yeah, here can you see, this is the figure or picture rather of the seventh cervical vertebra. The seventh cervical vertebra, you can see even the transverse processes are bifurcated. Okay, so we will add to our writing here that in case of the seventh cervical vertebra, the transverse process are bifurcated. Right? The seventh cervical vertebra has the transverse process which are bifurcated, and the neural spine here you can see it is pretty long and it is undivided. यहाँ पे वो bifurcation नहीं है ना? So the neural spine is long and not divided, or you can say not bifurcated, anything you can use over there, right? So it is long and not divided. This is clear? So this what we have discussed is about the 7th cervical vertebra. Moving to the, okay, this what we can do is I'll put up this writing a little below so that you are it doesn't obstruct you in viewing this. Is इधर छोटा सा लिख देते and divided we'll write here. All right. So this what I have put up the picture is of the 4th cervical vertebra. Okay. Now typical vertebrae when I talk about, I am talking it as the 3rd to 6th. This typical vertebrae includes 3rd to 6th. See children, we have already discussed कि जो 1st, 2nd and 7th these are atypical, है ना? थोड़ा सा उनमें typical vertebra से different structure है, पर जबकि 3rd to 6th they make up the typical vertebra and hence I have added 3rd to 6th. तो ये जो हमने यहाँ पे दिखाया है that is the 4th cervical vertebra. Clear? So in the typical vertebrae which is there we have to remember that the transverse process, you can see the transverse process as well as the neural spine, right? Both are bifurcated. Okay? So we'll add transverse process and the neural spine are bifurcated. They are bifurcated. Right? So that is a major difference what we are observing in the typical and the atypical vertebrae. Right? So I hope all of you have followed this pretty well. Now in case of whales, the 7 cervical vertebra, they fuse to form one bone. Okay? In case of whales, the 7 cervical vertebra, they fuse to form one bone. That we have to remember. In whales, the 7 cervical vertebrae fuse to form one bone, right? They fuse to form one bone, right? So I hope you all are clear. And now let us take a look at, once we are now finished discussing all the 7 cervical vertebrae, correct? So now we will be talking about, or I want you to have a look at the picture of how these 7 vertebrae are arranged, all right? Yes. So ये हमारा first vertebra है, right? Which is, you can see the atlas. तो एटलस का जो ये वाला कैनाल था आगे वाला, उसमें ये डेंस किसका पार्ट है? एक्सिस का, जो फिट हो जा रहा है. ठीक है, ये क्लियर हो गया. सो ये हमारा वो न्यूरल कैनाल रहेगा जिसके अंदर द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड विल पास. दिस इज क्लियर है ना? देन सी द सेकेंड वर्टिब्रे, दैट इज द एक्सिस. अब ये एक्सिस का ही पार्ट है ना, ये डेंस जो उसमें अंदर चला गया, उसका स्पाइन देखो बाइफरकेटेड है. हमने पिक्चर में भी देखा था कि एक्सिस हैज अ बाइफरकेटेड न्यूरल स्पाइन. या देन टॉकिंग अबाउट 3rd to 6th, ये कैसी है 3rd to 6th? द टिपिकल वंस. सी 1 and 2 we said atypical, 3 to 6 they are typical, and again the 7th one is atypical. समझ में आए? ये क्लियर है? तो हियर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दिस आर टिपिकल, उनके स्ट्रक्चर्स बहुत ही सेम ही है, बाइफर्केटेड न्यूरल स्पाइन and all, right? So that is clear. Whereas the seventh one, when you see this is the spinal process being shown, that neural spine being shown, जो काफी which is long and strong, you can see that very longer one, and it's not divided. तो अब I hope you all are clear now कि वो एक के बाद एक जो वर्टेब्रे है वो कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ी हुई है। और जो हम इंटरवर्टेब्रल डिस्क की बात कर रहे थे, अगर इसका हम ऐसे वाला व्यू देखें ना पलटा के, हाँ, ये जो देख रहे हैं हम वो कैसा है, पोस्टीरियर व्यू है। अगर उसका हम जो आगे एंटीरियर व्यू देखते तो बीच में हमें वो इंटरवर्टेब्रल डिस्क भी दिखाई देता है, विच इज फिब्रोकार्टिलाजिनस डिस्क एंड एक्ट्स एज अ शॉक एब्जॉर्बर, राइट? सो आई होप चिल्ड्रन you all have followed all these cervical vertebrae, right? So in the part of the vertebral column we are done discussing the cervical vertebrae. In the next segment we will be talking about the thoracic, lumbar, sacral and the caudal vertebrae. Thank you and Jai Bharat.